A very good morning to all of you. Welcome back to my science online class. So students, we were studying 7th chapter from your science book, right? The chapter name is Safety and First Aid. So in our previous class, we discussed about the safety measures which we have to take care at our home. And today we will discuss the rest topics, okay? So all of you open your books, page number 62. See, at other places, what are the safety measures we should care at other places? Do not run, jump and skip over stairs and furniture in the rooms. So do not jump, run and skip over stairs, series or furniture in the rooms. Do not leave the toys on the floor after playing. If you are playing something, then after playing, don't leave the toys on the floor. Okay? You may trip or fall down. So if you leave the toys on the floor, you may trip or fall down. Okay? Do not open the main door of house to a stranger if there is no elder at home. If there is no elder present at your home, then do not open the main door of your house to a stranger. If you don't know the person, don't open the main door. Do not take any medicine without asking an adult. Do not take any kind of medicine without asking an adult. You should ask to your parents about that medicine, and after that you can take that. Otherwise, don't touch. Do not play with things made of glass. Do not play with the things which are made of glass. It may break and cut your skin. Glass may break very easily, so do not play with the things which are made of glass. It may break and cut your skin. Safety at school. There are some safety rules which we have to take at school. Okay? At school, we should follow some safety rules to avoid accident. To avoid accident, we should also follow some safety rules at school. See, number 1, do not rush up or down the stairs or slide over the hand railing. Do not rush up or down the stairs or slide over the hand railing. You may fall and hurt yourself and others. So if you rush up or down the stairs or slide over the hand railing, you may fall and hurt yourself and others too. Do not push anybody while moving in a queue or on stairs. Do not push anybody while you are in a moving line or moving in a queue. Queue means a continuous line, okay, or on stairs. Do not play in the classroom and jump over the desk and benches. Do not play in the classroom because classroom is full with desks and benches and other materials too. So do not play in the classroom. You may hurt. Do not throw things around in the class. Do not throw things around in the class. Do not fight with anybody. So at school, do not fight with anybody. Maintain your discipline. Okay? On road. So what are the safety rules we should follow in road? On road. See, while walking, do not run or play on the road. Road is not a place for play. Okay? So do not run or play on the road. Do not walk on the wrong side or center of the road. Do not walk on the wrong side. And also do not walk on center of the road. Always use pavement for walking. Always use pavement means footpaths for walking. Cross the road only at the zebra crossing or use subway or foot over bridge. So cross the road only at the zebra crossing or use subway or foot over bridge. Use footbridge to cross any type of road. Okay? If there is no zebra crossing, find the safest place to cross the road and always look both the side. If there is no zebra crossing, Then find the safest place to cross the road and always look both the sides before you cross. First look at your left, then right, and then again left, then cross the road. Okay, first of all look at your first look at your left, then right, and then again left, then cross the road. Okay, always cross the road when traffic light is red but pedestrian light is green. Always cross the road when traffic lights. Have you ever seen traffic lights? So always cross the road when traffic light is red but pedestrian light is green. Keep watching the coming traffic while crossing the road. Keep watching the coming traffic while crossing the road. Never cross the road while talking to people, listening to music, or talking over phone. So don't use your mobile phone while you are crossing road. Okay, and also do not talk to people, do not listen to music while you cross the road. Now see, while riding a bicycle, we should also follow some safety rules while riding a bicycle. Always wear well-fitted helmet to protect your head. If you are riding a bicycle, then wear well-fitted helmet to protect your head. Okay, do not wear loose or flared clothes. Make sure your shoelaces are tied properly. Do not wear loose or flared clothes, and also make sure your shoelaces are tied properly, because sometimes shoelaces may cause some problems. Okay, before riding, check your bicycle gears, brakes, seat, handles, and tires properly. Before riding, check the bicycle gears, brakes, seat, handles, and tires properly. Okay, use hand signals while crossing or turning to left or right, as there is no indicator available in the bicycle. So use hand signals while crossing or turning to left or right. Do not use earphones while riding. Do not use earphones while riding, and also do not use your mobile phone. Follow the traffic signs or traffic lights. Follow the traffic signs or traffic lights. While boarding to or unboarding a vehicle, make a queue while getting in and getting down the bus. So make a queue. Don't be very much excited for getting in and getting down the bus. Make sure that you have in a queue and getting in and getting down slowly and safely. Okay, do not push anybody while getting in or out the bus, and also in the moving bus. Do not push anybody while getting in or out the bus, and also in a moving bus. Do not push anybody. Always wear your seat belt while traveling in a car. If you are traveling in a car, make sure that you wear a seat belt. Okay, do not keep any part of your body out of the window of a moving vehicle. Do not keep any kind of part of your body out of the window of a moving vehicle, like do not keep your hand outside, and also do not keep your head outside. Okay, it may cause accident. Always get down on safe side of the bus or car. So see the safe side and then get down from a bus or car. Okay students, so it's your today's class. Hope you all understand this. So in our next class we will discuss the rest topics. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day ahead.